Transparent Idaho isn't just about budgets and salaries, it's also your primary resource for understanding state agency contracts and agreements too. Let's take a look. Starting on the Transparent Idaho homepage, scroll down to check out these handy quick links. Quick links makes navigating Transparent Idaho a breeze. Let's focus on state agency contracts and agreements. Clicking on this brings you to a page packed with useful information about state contracts and agreements. Here you will see a list of information on current and past contracts, making it easy to understand what contracts or agreements state agencies are entering into. Want to filter on a specific state agency? Use the filtering tools on any column of information. Transparent Idaho ensures that all state contracts and agreements are just a few clicks away. Head over to transparent.idaho.gov to learn more.
Thanks for tuning in to our transparency tutorial. If you like to learn about Transparent Idaho, please visit our site at transparent.idaho.gov. And don't forget to follow us on social media and YouTube for more information on government transparency.